Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You should start by signing into the Riot/League client so you can see live server selection. Once logged in, check the region tag visible near your profile or the launcher header. This tells you which game cluster you hit. Make sure to open the client settings, then General to confirm connection details and any region-specific notices. These first steps matter because the client reflects the backend endpoint you're authenticated on, not just your geographic location. Next, verify on Riot's account portal. The account page often lists your home region or linked regional services. Then check your in-client profile and match history for server codes. These are reliable indicators of which regional shard recorded your games. For technical confirmation, run a ping or traceroute to the login server hostname shown in the client. Routing and latency patterns help you confirm which regional data center you hit. Together, these steps explain both how and why you connect. Finally, if you need a different region, know that you cannot change it in settings. You must use Riot's official account transfer purchase. If the client shows an unexpected region, clear DNS and client cache, update the game, restart your router, then relog. These fixes resolve most routing or cache mismatches. If problems persist, contact Riot support with your account ID, timestamps, and screenshots so they can trace authentication and correct any server assignment issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.